welcome you to the Rondout Valley Growers Association's second annual farm tour. This is we're billing it as the Taste of Our Bounty. So we're inviting everybody to come and sample the bounty that is the Rondout Valley, our farms, our community, and our delicious food. You get your Rondout Valley Growers bag, and you can take it to each of the farms that are on our tour. We've got 3 farms in the morning, 3 farms in the afternoon, and we are ending up with a tea party at the Marbletown Elementary School garden to celebrate our whole community and everything that we're doing.
I am Alice Schoonmaker from the Saunderskill Farms. We're the parents of Dan and Kathy who run the farm market, and Jack is the 12th generation, and he is the one who established all these wonderful flowers from the greenhouse. And so we'll let Jack tell you more about the farm.
Saunderskill Farms, in partnership with my 2 sons, Danny and David. We farm about 400 acres of fruits and vegetables, and also have 2 acres of greenhouses where we raise spring annuals and some hothouse tomatoes. At the farm market here we have about 10 acres of mixed vegetables, everything from asparagus to zucchini, which we sell retail at the farm market. Crops grown on the farm are strawberries, peas, sweet corn, tomatoes, apples, peaches, and pumpkins.
It's good soil, good dirt, and there's lots of it, so we'll make the best. Please come and visit us often.
Francis from Catskill Native Nursery, and my partner is Diane. We specialize in nursery propagated North American plants, and our slogan is gardening for a better environment. And as well as being beautiful, also perform ecological functions. They provide food and habitat for birds and butterflies and bees and human beings as well. So that's what we're all about. Many of our plants we try to grow from seeds collected right here in the Catskill Mountain, Rondout Valley area. It's important to do that because it ensures that the plants that you are trying to grow at your home are well adapted to the specific climatic conditions and environmental conditions we have here in the Hudson Valley. We sell a lot of plants that homeowners can use for growing their own blueberries, raspberries, gooseberries, some tree fruits as well, some of the native tree fruits that you might not know as much about, such as pawpaws, persimmons, and mulberries.
Hi, I'm Chris Kelder. Would like to welcome you to the second annual Rondout Valley Growers Association Farm Tour.
Kelder's Farm is 100 acres of pick your own, of animals, of people, of agriculture. We have one of the most exciting pick your own farms in New York State. We turned a 70-year-old dairy farm into a farm stand. And inside you'll find antique equipment, you'll find jams and jellies, and the height of the season freshness of produce. We have a petting farm, which you can actually feed our goats and our llamas and touch the animals that you sometimes can't touch. We also have a cow here for special occasions that everyone can milk.
Hi, I'm Maria Reidelbach, and I created homegrown mini golf and the world's largest garden gnome at Kelder's Farm. We just had our Rondout Valley Growers Tour event and it was a lot of fun. My miniature golf is unique because it features all edible landscaping. And I love it. One of the little kids who came through gave me the best quote. He said, "That's the most delicious game of miniature golf I've ever played."
Duchess Farm. I'm Michael Warren. Duchess Farm was originally a dairy farm since 1953, my parents' dairy farm. And when my father retired, we thought of some way of keeping the farm going rather than just turning it into, developments or something like that. So what we did was we looked at an open space conservation equestrian design where we can actually sell some home sites so that people can have a feel for like living on a farm without even actually having the trouble of trying to work a farm. This is a stable which is 252 feet long, 36 feet wide, and it has a natural cover roofing that's made out of recycled water bottles that are woven together in a PVC type film. And this is extremely durable fabric, which now allows the light in, so that we can cut down on energy costs. And it gives the horses a natural feel for the inside. The main arena is 100 feet wide and 252 feet long, and it's 34 feet high. It's made out of the same materials, except for in the arena we have recycled rubber for the footing. We take all of the horse manure and everything, we clean the stalls every day, sanitize the stalls every day. The fresh manures and everything else out of the stalls, and we put it here. And if you look, and this is broken down. This is about 3 weeks. But if you feel this, feel how hot this is. I mean, you might be able to almost see steam coming off. It's about 100. Right now, I'd say it's about 165 degrees.
Hi everybody, I'm Bruce Davenport. As you may know, my brother and I farm here. What you're looking at right here is a 200-acre field. And we're right in the middle of picking most of the stuff. We actually just started picking corn about 10 days ago, and we're picking tomatoes, we're picking peppers. But what we have here are different plantings of beans, sugar snaps, sunflowers. These are beans we've already picked. Sugar snaps we picked, sunflowers we picked. The Rondout Valley grows the best corn in the Hudson Valley, and the Hudson Valley grows the best corn in New York. New York grows the best corn in the country, and of course the United States grows the best corn in the world. And you, as far as we know, don't grow corn anywhere else, so we have the best corn in the universe.
I think it makes perfect sense.
It does. It makes perfect sense.
And I'm more or less retired now. I could try to help if I can. I do little errands here and there, and I keep running all the time. My father Started the farm in 1937. We do have about a 50-acre garden for this road stand and the one over the house. And at the moment, we're up to about 1,500 acres.